Hi guys, it's Numan here from Rebel Squad and also representing Martiangear as their brand ambassador. I would personally like to congratulate you guys on your purchase and also welcome you guys to the Martiangear family. We have put together a small assembly video for you guys, so let's assemble it together and I hope you guys enjoy your product.